Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a logo on Adobe Express. So first thing, you need to log in here with your Gmail. This is enough. So just go to logo option. And here is lots of free and paid logo here. But if you are free user, just go to this icon, then go to price, then click on free. Then if you want to select your region, so this is good, but I recommend you for global. So scroll down, then click on this icon. Okay, that's good. So I type here is a lots of logo. You can customization, editable, and anything here. So write your branding name, etc, etc. So I want to type another one. This is possible. Wow, just click on here. So just replace this name from here. Then and anything here you can write, then keep it up. Then this is a foldable. And you can doing anything here. So example purpose, this is my logo. Then go to download button, then use your purpose. So go here, has lots of logo. Just start a new file, then scorer club 91. So I want to replace this 91. Then I want to remove this one. Just click on delete button. Okay, that's good. So just go to download button, then click on download. So this is a method you can create a logo on Adobe Express. So if you have found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.